Good evening, friends, dignitaries, respected dignitaries from all over the world. I can only say from Asia, as I see a lot of global dignitaries here. It's indeed an honor to be present here amongst all of you. As you know, Nasir has put in literally his blood and sweat to pull this evening off, and with the support, of course, of everybody present here this evening. I'd like to especially thank him, not only for the reason of thinking of this novel idea of bringing everyone together on one platform, literally, and doing something for the good of our Asian communities, not only based in our own respective countries, but definitely internationally. So please give a big round of applause for Nasir Bhai and definitely Kabir for pulling this off and bringing all of us together. Like they say, the world is getting closer day by day, and I hope efforts like this continue and forward goodwill and peace and love between all the countries that are present here and bring all of us together, even through the platform of entertainment or sport. So congratulations everybody for pulling this off. Thank you so much for being here this evening.
Thank you guys. Ravina.
The world's greatest bowler. The world may never see a bowler like that and will never see a bowler with that swing and left arm action ever again the way it is. Wasim Akram, are you guys happy? Come on. Can you believe that you're getting a picture with Wasim?
Yes, we are.
There we go. Well, Wasim Bhai has traveled a long way and unfortunately he's got a flight for a very long way. So guys, नाज़रीन आप देख रहे हैं कि क्राउड कितनी पागल हो गई है, लेकिन क्राउड कितनी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है कि सब लाइन में खड़े होंगे अपने प्यारे वसीम अकरम को देखने के लिए। वसीम भाई जो कि इन्हीं के लिए आए हैं और HKZ कमिटमेंट के लिए आए हैं, साथों साथ वहाँ दूसरे स्टार्स ने ट्रेनिंग करनी शुरू भी कर दी है, वार्म अप करना शुरू भी कर दिया है और आपने देखा कि कितने छक्के और चौके यहाँ पे नहीं लग रहे, 12वें और 8वें लग रहे हैं। एंड आई थिंक देयर वी गो। हाँ जी वसीम भाई थोड़े से यहाँ तक सिर्फ वॉक करते हैं। एंड हाउ यू फील टू सी ऑल दीज पीपल?
ठीक ठाक हो? लाओ जी सेल्फियाँ।
सेल्फियाँ रे सेल्फियाँ, हाय रे मेरी सेल्फियाँ। वसीम अकरम, of course.
Who's the greatest channel now? HKSZ, there you go, delivering its commitment with the world. There we go, Uncle G is here again.
Thank you.
There we go, guys. There we go, HKSZ Wasim Akram. Okay, guys, thank you very much.
We had a lot of support here whenever Pakistan team plays cricket in England, and it's excellent. And good job by you, Nasir, as well. Good show, enjoyed it. Everybody's enjoying it as well, so that's a good sign. Well done, keep it up.
Love you, brother, and it was all about you. Oh, there we go. We got the King of Swing here, played a game and enjoyed for the crowd, entertainment. And Wasim Bhai, what's the message? All those youngsters who are here to be inspired, which is what the vision was in it.
All the top players of the world are here. See them, meet them and learn from them, and nothing comes without hard work. And that's what these guys, all the big names of the Sehwag, Yuvraj Singh, Shoaib Akhtar, Dilshan, Chandrapal, one of the greatest of all time. So these are the heroes, and at my age, at a young age, if I would have seen heroes like this in front of me, that would have definitely inspired me.
Wasim Bhai, 3 days, putting a 3-month venue together in 3 days and keeping this show on for the inspiration of children, broadcasting live to the international community, getting all this done. What's your feeling overall?
No, I said good job by you and your team, how they worked and how you come up with this new idea, different idea. and all these cricketers are enjoying this different format. And job well done. Keep it up and best of luck.
We love you, Wasim bhai. ये वसीम भाई हैं जो अभी हमारे साथ हैं HKZ.TV के venue. Stay tuned, a lot more to come.
So a few words on what you're witnessing here around the world. You're live, you're global, and this is going to go out for the next month. And we have satellite partners with B4U who have done a wonderful job. I know B4U's been trying to reach me all evening this evening. I think he's walking around somewhere, but you were not at the ground, but your logos were everywhere. So, and ZTV and everybody else on the satellite network, we work very closely with Bollywood. And I think that's a great twist for Bollywood with sports, because you've never really seen entertainment with sports. So Zohan, give us a few words on that.
Thank you. That's a tough act to follow, firstly, so thank you for putting me at the end. But it's wonderful to be here. Exactly what Kunal said. It's an evening of fun, of unity, of great food, fabulous music, cricket and Bollywood. And those are my favorite things in all the world. And I myself haven't had an opportunity to visit Pakistan for about 15 years now, but I feel very much like I'm in both India and Pakistan at the moment. And it's such a wonderful feeling. And it's ironic that it's in Britain that we're meeting. But it's been such a wonderful, warm evening. Yes, at Al-Qasr, where I've had a wonderful meal as well. So thank you for hosting us. And thank you, Nasir bhai, for inviting us. It's really been more than I expected. When you told me about it, I thought it'll be a long way to come, and I don't know what it'll be like. We've never met before. Tonight is the first night that I've met you, but we've had close interactions over the past week, and I have heard so much about the wonderful work that you're doing, and everyone, including the lady who did my hair today, everyone said what a wonderful person you are, and how much your passion, your hard work, your dedication, your integrity has driven you and has made these past 3 days possible. So congratulations for that.
Ajay, come and say a few words, because you're a great orator, no doubt, on this evening on behalf of the entire Indian team. Captain, the former captain of the Indian cricket team, Ajay Jadeja. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, come on. A great individual, a short interaction since last night, but hearts, what I see with the Indian boys here this evening are as clean, crystal clean, and that means a lot. So guys, round of applause for Ajay. I hand it over to you.
Thank you, Mr. Bhai. It's tough to follow Ravina's words. On behalf of all the boys, you've had a great day. It's lovely to be part of your vision. This great vision that you had with the community together. It was wonderful to see the kids on the ground. I just wish we could have had some sport. Thank you all for coming this evening and supporting this cause, because it's so...
It's really been a very, very memorable experience for me. So thank you for making me a part of your family tonight, and I wish everyone in this room lots of success.
Thank you guys, enjoy the music.